Hello and welcome to a video from M&E Trading. My name is Anton Weidner and today I will show you how to access and use Faro Scene2Go to view laser scanning data. So let's start with the video and first clarify the question: what exactly is Faro Scene2Go? Faro Scene2Go is a free-to-use browser software that you basically can use to view laser scanning data, and you don't need any fancy software like this one here, where you can actually process scans, view scans, fly through the point cloud. You can do certain things with Faro Scene2Go as well, and you have only very limited possibilities to actually use and view scanning data. So when we send you or when we want to send you data, a scanning project that you can view on Faro Scene2Go, we will send you a Dropbox link to access our cloud, where you can download the folder with the scanning project. What you have to do is just check this box and download the folder. So after you have downloaded the files, you go to your downloads folder, click the file. Before you click the file, you have to extract it, of course, because it's a zip file. Yeah. After you've extracted it, you go inside the file and then you see these two files. One is the Scene2Go starting file for Mac, and one is for Windows. Then you just double click that file. Then you will be immediately redirected to Scene2Go. So here you have the project. Here you have the ribbon with more options that you can do, but for now we will not look at this. We will just click the project to open it up, and then you will see this overview map of all the scans that have been done in this project. And if you hover over a scan, like let's say for example scan 505, and you click it, you will have a small round window that will open. And here you have three options. You can either show the properties of the scan, you can make a panorama view, or you can show a 3D view. And by the way, if you prefer another language like French, German, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, whatever, Spanish, you can choose the language right here. So let's go back to the scan. Here you can view the scan either in panorama view or 3D view. So let's start with the panorama view, and what you will see is the scan with the colored scan in like picturesque quality. And with this view you can basically see everything as clear as in a HDR picture. What you can do, you can also switch to the 3D view, and in the 3D view you have basically here the point cloud that you can see. You also have the possibility to fly through the point cloud, but you will only see the points that are generated in this scan. You do not see all the other point clouds that have been created with the other scans. So that's why you see those holes, because all the scans are not registered together. So to navigate in the 3D view or in the panorama view, you have to click the left mouse button and then you can hover up, down, left, right. If you are using the scroll button in the middle of your mouse, you can zoom in and zoom out. With the right button, you can also look around. And yeah, that's basically it for the viewing options that you have. If we jump back in the panorama view, you can jump from scan to scan and see everything from the different angles that are available. And yeah, this way you can make a walkthrough through the factory or through the processing plant. Here, scan 400 is the next one. Then you can go further downstairs, or you can walk around this path. Next thing, interesting thing that you can do in Scene2Go is you can measure distances. For example, you can measure the distance from, let's say from this tube all the way to the stairs. You just click 2 points. You see here the coordinates. You can give this measurement a name right here. Enter name, like measurement 1. Click OK, and you have the distance here, 5.8 meters. And another thing that you can do is, excuse me, something like this. So I marked 3 points along this line. Just give it a name, measurement 2. Then I have like the 3 points length and the sum of all the points. But here it seems that I caught a point that I didn't want to catch. But anyway, I wanted to measure along this line. That's why it's always better to measure in 3D view. However, for demonstration purposes, this is not too bad actually. So what we can do now is we can click on a measurement and then we can just say let's show the axes and angles, and then you have here the angles that you have measured, the horizontal along the axis X and along the axis Y, start to end. And yeah, you can extract further data from your measurements. All right, and that's basically it for this tutorial. I hope this was helpful, and I really hope that you are now able to access and view the scan projects that we sent you. If any problems occur during viewing a project, browsing a project, or making measurements, whatever the case may be, you can always get in touch with us. You can get in touch with me. It's info@m like machine, e like equipment, -trading.de.